Beep, beep, what's that sound? Dr. Shark is coming around. Sniff, sniff, cough, cough, oh no. Ocean friends are feeling low. Baby Shark puts Dr. Cap. Let me check you, tap, tap, tap. Fish is sneezing, ashoo. Dr. Shark, I need you. Check, check, what's the plan? Dr. Shark is helping fans. Stethoscope, listen slow. Don't worry, you will glow. Jellyfish says, I feel weird. All my glow has disappeared. Baby Shark gives bubble tea. Drink this now and feel free. Sip, sip, feel alright. Medicine makes everything bright. Ocean hospital on the wave. Dr. Shark is kind and brave. Crab comes running super fast.
Don't worry.
My shell is cracked. It didn't last. Dr. Shark says hold on tight. Wraps it up just right, just right. Fix, fix, patch it up. Healing magic in a cup. Clap, clap, feeling new. Dr. Shark is here for you. Octopus says I'm so confused. All my arms are feeling loose.
Okay, I'll try. Thank you.
Baby Shark counts 1, 2, 3. Tidy arms, now you're free. Twist, twist, all okay. Doctor saves the ocean day. Giggle, giggle, funny sight. Everything is feeling right. Suddenly big whale goes boom. Too much sneeze inside the room. Baby Shark runs super quick. Time for my big doctor trick. Gives cool sea bubble spray. Will says I feel okay. Crisis done. Dr. Shark saves